मैंने बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर से बात किया, वो खुद भी कन्विंस है इसमें बहुत कुछ है फैसिलिटीज जिसमें कैंसर क्योर होते हैं, कोरोना क्योर होते हैं और कन्विंस करते भी है। अगर ये प्रूव है तो अगर ये इधर प्रूफ करो जो ये सही है और अगर गलत है ये भी डिक्लेयर करो जो ये गलत है। ये आप लोग कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं लोगों को।
माननीय मंत्री जी, नो माननीय, आपको जवाब देने की इजाजत दीजिए। माननीय मंत्री जी,
माननीय सदस्य
आप
जो
मंत्री हैं, ऐसे नहीं है।
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
आप उनको जवाब दें। आप
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैंने पहले ही आंसर में
आप उधर बैठ जाओ।
मैंने कहा था कि ऐसी जो बातें कुछ और ये अफवाहें होती है, ये अफवाहें हैं, तो हमने ऑफिशियली ऑथेंटिकली कुछ बोला नहीं है। और ऐसा तो आप जो कुछ जो हमने जो अपने इसमें जो मेडिसिन नहीं है, ये प्रिवेंटिव डिक्लेयर किया था एडवाइजरी में, वो
ये पुरानी
कर दिया।
पुरानी हमारी संस्कृति है
सर।
हाँ,
इसको कोई
माने तो ठीक, नहीं माने तो ठीक।
ये होते हुए आप क्यों पूछते हैं? आप पूछते हैं, इसे लोग बता देते हैं ना।
रितेश पांडे।
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, Sir, please, sir, I would love to inform the honourable member and the other members of the House that, sir, there is a very well-defined protocol and scientific advice about who needs to be tested, and this is as per the advice of the scientific experts that you see someone like, say, somebody has symptoms, he has a travel history, then all the symptomatic cases, then all the contacts, and you know we have informed you earlier also, we are doing a very detailed contact tracing. Right now, the infection in this country, you see, it is traveling from one person to other. It has not yet gone into the community. Even for the community also, separately, the ICMR is doing tests for picking up people from the community to see whether there is any evidence of transmission in the community. So I can say with perfect and utmost confidence and authenticity that whatever tests we are doing on whom, they are with perfect scientific advice. So no one in this House should have any doubts about that.
Speaker sir, I have the highest respect for the Honorable Health Minister, and with the fullest sense of responsibility, I would like to specifically ask him that there are a number of theories which are doing the rounds with regard to the origin of coronavirus. Day before yesterday, even the President of the United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump, had referred to certain attributes of the coronavirus and alluded to a particular country with regard to its origin. We are all aware that the World Health Organization is not being given access to Wuhan in order to investigate the origins of the coronavirus. My submission, Speaker Sir, to the Honorable Health Minister through you is, would the Government of India talk to the World Health Organization, talk to other friendly nations in order to ensure that the origin of coronavirus is investigated thoroughly so that we can be reassured that this is a naturally occurring virus and it has not originated as a result of a certain scientific experiment or a series of scientific experiments which may have gone astray. That's my question to the Honorable Health Minister, and I say it with the fullest sense of responsibility.
Sir, let me inform the House that, number one, we are in regular contact with the World Health Organization, the Regional Director of WHO for the Southeast Asia region, and also with the Director General of WHO in Geneva. And as per our information, I don't think there is any need for any apprehension about the suspect type of, you see, there are a lot of things roaming around, passing in WhatsApp and all. there is, at the moment, as per our conversations with WHO, there is no, you can say, authenticity in them, neither any substance in all those reports. So we should be assured that whatever we are doing, we are focusing on our country right now. And whatever research is needed, which is being done all over the world, we are also in ICMR proceeding with all those research activities. We are in touch with all the scientists all over the world. So, regarding these reports about the origin, that is being investigated. You see, every time a new virus comes, it gets mutated and a new virus comes. And that's why China, you see, they reported the first case in their country, at least for to the whole world, they reported the first case on 30th of December, when they said that they have noticed some cases of pneumonia, which have an unknown etiology. They are not able to actually pinpoint what is the cause of that. Then on 7th of January, they reported to the World Health Organization that they have been able to establish that this is probably a new coronavirus. So they have been informing, and accordingly, I would like to inform this House that we were the first country in the whole world. On 8th January itself, we had a technical expert group meeting in our ministry. We started working on that. And from 17th, we started all those screenings on the airports. I've shared all this information with you. And I can assure this House that we are in touch with everything that's going on the research front about this. And we are trying to use every good information for the best use of our countrymen.
क्वेश्चन
आप देख रहे हैं नेट्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का।